we guide you through how to freeze location on iPhone. So, first, open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security, then select Location Services, where you can see all apps using location. To freeze your location, choose Share My Location under your Apple ID and toggle off Share My Location entirely or select from a specific device to stop tracking from that device. If you want to freeze location for individual apps, go back to Location Services, tap each app, then set it to Never or As Next Time, which ensures the app won't access your location without permission. For even more privacy, enable Precise Location Off for apps that don't need extra or exact coordinates. Finally, to verify your location is frozen, open Find My and check that your device shows the last known location without updating in real time. With these steps, you can control who sees your location instantly and maintain your privacy on iPhone effortlessly, giving you peace of mind without affecting other phone functions.